Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Free up about 1 to 2 GB of storage and sign into your Xbox profile so your saves are synced. Once done, connect the console to a stable Ethernet or Wi-Fi network to avoid dropped downloads. Make sure the power supply is stable. You don't want the console shutting off mid-update. Now navigate to Settings, System, and choose Console Info. This gets you ready to check for the new system update. You now check for the update under Settings, then System, and select Check for Update. The console will locate the latest Xbox 360 package. Once the download starts, watch the percent and estimated time. If progress stalls, pause other network traffic. After download completes, you'll choose Install. The console will reboot and apply files, which can take several minutes. Make sure you don't power off or unplug the console during this phase, because interrupted installs can corrupt the system. You finish by confirming the new version in System, Console Info, and by launching a game to verify stability. If the update fails, try a wired connection and clear the cache by powering down, unplugging for 10 seconds, then restarting, then re-attempt the update. If problems continue, backup saves to cloud or USB and perform a factory reset only as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to Ethernet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.